cooperation and support.
The new Chief Administrative Officer of Lira District has warned the city authorities against putting pressure on the district over property. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel.
The leaders are saying, give us.
Ochengel Ismael made the remark today at the handover ceremony held at the district council hall. Ochengel, who has been transferred from Gulu district, which had a similar dispute with Gulu city, said the Ministry of Local Government has already given directives on what should be done on some of these issues, so there is no need for conflict.
I have a comment on the city. Now coming from Gulu. We also came back to Gulu city. At the time when I showed the duty, it was very hot. This Okaka knows. He left the seat hot from our brothers in the city. But what we did was to request for intervention of the Minister of Local Government. The elected leaders quarreled, abused themselves during the meeting, even wanted to exchange hands, but because there was a representative from the ministry, they were restrained. But at the end of it all, the ministry took it upon themselves. It is not our responsibility locally here to have this issue resolved. The ministry has taken it up. We should not kill each other here because the ministry is already handling this matter. That is the reason why all of these districts in the country that gave birth to cities have already been given a partial budget allocation of 1 billion shillings to begin with their headquarters. The only thing that I want to caution my colleague over the city, don't rush things because the ministry is in charge. Because in Gulu, I saw the leaders want to rush things. Because whenever there is any meeting involving the city and the minister officials, that matter comes up. But at least I want to thank the Honorable Minister and the PS Minister of Local Government. They have actually guided it well. And in Gulu, the leaders are saying, give us the money and we construct our headquarters. We should be in a position to live. As we wait to discuss issues of properties and land that are in our names, because they cited, they made a statement actually that there is no law in Uganda that bans these rural districts to own properties in the city. That's why the government has taken up to see how best to have these issues amicably resolved. So please, I don't think whether we have much to talk about it. Let's just wait for the guidance from Minister of Local Government.
The chairman LC5 of Lira District, Richard Cox Max Okelo Orik, reported that they have been harassed by Lira city leaders and asked to leave the city.
I'm glad. I want to say thank you for coming. But we had a very rough time with the city. This one I can't hide. We had a very rough time. At one time they even called us that we were expressed. Get out. Don't belong here. At least you have come from there. Advise them to be calm. Let them move slow. I'm happy you are here today. Coming from us. Having the same problem. I will report to you once again. We had a rough time. These city guys who migrated here looked at us as enemies. They harassed us. I looked at it as a child who gave birth to, having to beat the father. It's not the best.
Okurut Vincent, who has just been transferred as the city town clerk of Lira from Masaka City, said the issues between the districts and cities need dialogue. He said he is willing to sit down with the stakeholders to reach a point of compromise.
The cities are new and have a number of challenges, including the incomplete transition that he was trying to talk about, which involves dialogue and discussion in the district to agree on a number of issues so that the city can take effect. That I'm joining and be part of the discussion, and really we should be in position to agree on a compromise position on all the outstanding issues with the guidance of the ministry.
Ochengel will replace Okaka Geoffrey in Lira district as he goes to serve in Serere district. Both district and city leadership united in this ceremony.
Chairman, we have tried in this 1 year to make sure that we stabilize, and I think we moved a long way in that direction. Each area still exists in the areas of land management, as I said, payroll management, health and education services, as I've elaborated above. Again, this report is not exhaustive. Heads of department should be useful to you in clarifying areas which may appear gray.
The Deputy Resident District Commissioner of Lira, Kabunga Daniel Sentamu, assured Ochengel and Okurud of good working environment. For Lao News Channel, I am Denish Ongora, Lira District Chambers, Lira City.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.